Good morning, dear students. We have completed all the agricultural practices, activities related to crop production. However, there is one question left. Do we depend only plants for food? Or farmers also have animals that provide us food? Yes, of course. Just like plants, farmers also have cattle that provide us with meat, milk, egg, and many other products. As plants need a lot of caring and protection, animals do need the same. Cattle rearing involves many activities. They need to be protected from harsh weather, diseases, and other threats. Their shelters have to be cleaned regularly. Vaccination against various diseases is also an important part of animal rearing. What do we call this large-scale animal rearing? We call it animal husbandry. The science which deals with breeding, feeding, and caring of domestic animals is called animal husbandry. The animals raised for different purposes under animal husbandry are called livestock. The different products we get from animals are: first, milk. We obtain milk from cow, buffalo, goat, and camel. Milk is used to prepare many products like butter, cheese, curd, and ghee. Now second, meat and egg. Goat, chicken, and duck are the main sources of meat. Rearing and breeding of poultry like hen, duck, and turkey for eggs and meat is called poultry farming. Fish and seafood are rich in proteins and iodine. The production of fish on a large scale in fish nurseries is known as pisciculture. Third, honey. Honeybees gives us honey. The rearing of honeybees on a large scale to obtain honey is called apiculture. Honey is rich in sugars, minerals, and enzymes. It is used in Ayurvedic medicine. That's all, my dear students.